In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the security questions to reset the admin password on your security camera recorder. So first, I'm going to attempt to log in by right-clicking and clicking Main Menu. I'm going to click Forgot Pattern, and the Forgot Password button is going to be this question mark with the dialog box. I'm going to click that. It's going to say it needs to collect some information. This is if you're using the email method. I'm going to click OK to get to the reset mode. And I can select the security question reset mode. Now we're just going to answer the security questions that are factory default. If you've set your own security questions, you'll need to enter your own answers. However, I'm going to use the factory default questions. So the color of the first car is orange. First thing learn to cook is pancakes. That's plural, pancakes. And last but not least, the favorite fruit is pineapple. So again, the color of first car is orange. First thing we want to cook is pancakes. And the favorite fruit is pineapple. I'm going to click next. It's going to allow us to set a new password for the admin user. I'm just going to set the factory default. This factory default can be found on a label on your security camera recorder. It is a secure password. And then I can log in with that password. Hopefully this video helps you reset the admin password using the security question method. Thank you for watching.